Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohit Singh. I belong to Kanpur and I currently put up in Delhi NCR. I did my UG from GRMC Gwalior and my MS from GMC Guwahati in 2018. During my MS years, I developed a keen interest in GI surgery. Therefore, I started preparing for it as soon as I finished my MS. It took me whole 2 years to get through. So I'm making this video which might help the future aspiring candidates to get into the MCH program. Starting off, I would like to say this NEET SS requires equal commitment to both GI and the general surgery part. And I prepared for almost like 9 months. I sat at home, left my job. I was working in AIMS for some time, and I left my job in January 2020, and since then I have been preparing at my home. And the most important thing for NEET SS is you need to give equal importance, equal emphasis to both the GI and the general surgery part. So for the general surgery part, Love and Bailey is my base book. I read it completely 2 to 3 times, even more, except the orthopedics part. I also read Sebastian first few chapters, including trauma. I also had Schwartz Epsite. It's a good book and you get to learn new things from it. Apart from it, I solved MCQs from Pritesh Singh. There is one app known as Wise Academy. Also, I solved MCQs from wherever possible. I don't know how many MCQs I solved, but I had a habit of doing MCQs every now and then. For the GI surgery part, everyone knows it's Sebastian, which has to be read cover to cover, the GI part. And I must have read it around 5 to 10 times, I don't know. So it's the most important book. But yes, Shackelford and Blumgart cannot be ignored. There are few chapters from both these books which have to be read. And also I joined the NGS app from early on, around January. And the questions were framed were in such a manner that you can retrospectively cover most of Shackelford. So it helped me cover Shackelford from those test series. And I also joined the 5 days classes held by Concept in January in Delhi. So it also helped me get an idea about what more is required apart from Sebastian. They prepared notes and it was a good experience overall. So if we start counting from now on till June next year, I think it's around 9 months, and I think it's sufficient enough, not more than sufficient, but yes, sufficient to clear the exam. But according to me, I don't think a good preparation can be done along with the job. I tried this last year. I thought that I would get through along with the job, but it didn't work. So in my opinion, I would say if you can, don't do the job alongside studies. So in these last 9 months, my strategy would have been to do as many readings of the whole syllabus as possible. Obviously, the first reading will be the longest because in that you'll be taking into account all the books and you'll be adding everything from every book, and you'll be making your own notes, or you'll be adding in your book which you make as a base, like I did mine with Sebastian. I added every point from Shackelford and Blumgard, and I used to write it down in my Sebastian. So that Sebastian became my notes. And then after completing everything, the next subsequent readings will be just going through your that compiled notes, and I think 4 to 5 revisions I did, and multiple revisions are a necessity. Yes. So according to me, the last 1 month of preparation is the most crucial part. I think whatever you have read in the last 8 months, everything should go by in front of your eyes in the last 1 month. I'm not saying mug up, but yes, you can flip through pages, and there is a page memory, you can relate to. It's given there, it's given that, so that helps a lot in the last moment. Also, the last 1 month is important because you tend to get scared and distracted by everything which comes across you, and you are not able to answer that. So according to me, you have to hold on to your nerves, believe in your studies, what you have read, and try to stay away from the negative influences. Revise your own course. That's it. Yeah. So concluding, I would like to say that this dream of getting into MCH GI surgery can be achieved if planned properly. See, you can't read everything, and you have to believe in your basics, and you have to revise those basics as much as possible. I would say my strength was multiple revisions and innumerable MCQs which I solved from every now and then. I don't know what was the source of the question, but I used to solve it. So my strength was multiple revisions and multiple MCQs. And I don't say that you can ignore any book. I don't say that only Bailey and Sebiston will get you through. Shackelford, Bloomgart, Schwartz, all are equally important. Only there is an order to it. You have to first finish your basics, and then you have to build upon these books. So finally, I'd like to say that with proper planning and multiple revisions and solving MCQs and having a good guide or a mentor will definitely help you get through this exam.